Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing this look that is achieved using a Pac Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite brands because it not only provides a good quality, but its pricing range is absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing some of my favorite products from Pac that are best in quality and absolutely value for money, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply the Pac Studio Finish Oil Primer. I love this primer because it's infused with a jojoba oil, which nourishes the skin and also gives a natural shine to the skin. Though the product is oil-based, yet it does not make my skin look oily, as well as gives a nice dewy finish. It also holds my foundation for a long time and does not make my foundation to crease or even melt. Then I'm going to use my Pac HD Liquid Foundation. I'm going to dot this all over my face and then going to buff it with my Morphe M439 brush. This foundation provides a medium to full coverage. The only drawback of this foundation that it does oxidize, so I will recommend you to go at least 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Then I'm going to use a Pac Spotlight Concealer in the shade Skin, and I'm going to use this to highlight as well as conceal the problematic areas on my face. And then with the help of my Real Technique Beauty Blender, we'll be blending it. I have been loving this concealer. The formula is very hydrating and at the same time it's very lightweight. It's easily blendable and I just love the overall coverage that I get from this particular concealer. Next up, I have a Pac Powder Blush in the shade number 8. It's a beautiful peach orange color and it's perfect for all Indian skin tones. I'm going to apply this generously on my cheeks. And since this video is only dedicated to Pac products, I did not have the setting powder and bronzer. So I've used some other products which I'd applied off camera. Then jumping straight into my eye makeup, I will be first priming my eyelid using the Pac's Spotlight HD Concealer, and then I'm going to blend it nicely with a brush. Moving on, I'm using the Pac Shadow Box in the shade Mauve. Now this eyeshadow box reminds me of Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsession, and the very first shade that I'm using is this white eyeshadow to set the concealer that I've applied. So dipping into the palette, I'm going to use this soft brown color as my transition shade and will be applying this all over my crease. Then I'm going to take this reddish color which has got a pink undertone, and look the pigment guys, it's so beautiful. I'm going to pack this color on my outer corner as well as inner corner using Pac 392. And then whatever product is left, we'll be using it to gradually blend it into my crease. Further, I will be intensifying the look using this chocolatey brown color with a pink undertone, and I'm going to repeat the step of placing this in my very outer and inner corner. And then whatever product is left, I'm going to blend it like so, this time under my crease. Now to create that halo effect, I'm going to use this concealer from Pac, which is their Spotlight Concealer, and also I'm going to use this Pac Concealer brush to cut that crease. Further, I'm going to use this random brush which was lying in my makeup vanity. The reason that I'm using this particular brush is because it's a petite brush. It just helps me in having the control while I'm blending the concealer in between my lid. Further, to soften the edges of the concealer, I am also going to use this reddish pinkish color one more time, and I'm going to use my NYX number 16 blending brush for the same. And then I'm going to use this beautiful rose gold color and I'm going to place this right in the middle of my lid. And I like to use a flat brush for the same. This one is from Morphe, it's 167. Now to create that spotlight effect, I am also using this pink golden shimmer color. I'm going to place this with the help of my Pac 082 brush. Also, I've used the chocolate brown color to intensify my outer and inner corners further. And the brush that I've used is from Vega. Then I'm going to use a clean blending brush and I'm going to run it into my crease so that everything looks seamless and to avoid any harsh lines. Moving on, I'm going to use this white eyeshadow to highlight my inner corners, and the brush that I'm using is Pac 082. This one is my favorite brush for highlighting my brow bone as well as using it on my inner corners. Then I will be using this Kiko Milano Kajal pencil, which is in the shade number 4. And I love using white or beige Kajal pencil on my waterline because it really helps in making your eyes look bigger. And just to soften the look, I'm also using this soft brown and a light pink color from the Pac shadow box. And I'm going to blow this onto my lower lash line. And for the lashes, I went in using a Pac Lashes in number 59, one of the most natural looking lashes in my opinion, and they were super easy to apply. Now to line my lips, I have used this lip liner from Pac called Royal Pink, and then I have used 2 lip shades. The first one is Pury, which is this beautiful coral pink color. And just to mellow down this color, since it was looking way too loud as far as my makeup look is concerned, I also went in using Satin Bliss, which is this nude pink color, and I applied it on the center of my lips. And this is the final outcome of my makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup tutorial, and if you did, then please share your love and support by liking this video, commenting down below what kind of videos you want to see next, and also subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me. Thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.